This beautiful custom-built home in Hawthorne Park was meticulously crafted down to even the small details. Some of these details include specialty trim, surround sound, high ceilings, split bedroom floor plan, and stunning natural light throughout. The entry of this home is gorgeous and highlights the woodworking throughout the home. Walking through the living room, there are large windows, a high tray ceiling, and an open layout into the kitchen. The kitchen is massive with beautiful cabinets, a breakfast bar, and an adjacent dining room that features an ornate fireplace. There are 4 large bedrooms and 3 half baths. The master suite boasts a tray ceiling, large windows, and an ensuite. The bathroom is spacious and features a walk-in tiled shower and jetted tub. The full finished daylight basement is massive and has a large living area, rec space, wet bar, bedroom, and bathroom, as well as storage space. The screened-in back porch is the perfect spot to spend dinner with friends and family outside while avoiding all the bugs and the elements. The yard flaunts enhanced landscaping, making this home striking from inside out. This home will not disappoint, so give Kimberly Miller a call to see it today.